Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing out how to get through to command prompt CMD. If you're a programmer, you need to always get to command prompt to run codes like Java, Python, or the rest of them. So whenever you hear the word command prompt, it's actually you get to this search column, just type in CMD and press enter. This is command prompt. Sometimes ago we used to call it DOS or Dixie operating system platform, but it's actually called now command prompt. Whenever you want to run some basic codes in Java, Python, you always have to go through here. Like if I want to check whether I have a Python interpreter on my system, I can easily type Python and press enter. When I type Python and press enter, then I can see whether I have Python. So you can see I have Python 3.7.0. That's the version of Python that I have. By simply typing Python on the command prompt, I can see the version of Python that I have on my system. And if I want to give a Python command, I can actually start giving it like pip to install all the rest of them. If I also want to check Java to see whether I have Java on my system, I can as well do the same thing. So let's say I close this up and I come here, I say command prompt or CMD. CMD is the easiest way to get. You can see it here, command prompt. So when it's out, I can simply type Java to see whether I have Java on my system. Java is not recognized. Maybe I've not set my class path. So this is actually how you can use command prompt. Please, if you like this, click on the subscribe button below. Like and share this video as much as you can. Thank you and see you in the next class.